A common misconception is that you need tens of thousands of dollars before you can start your packaged food business, and that's simply not true. You can bootstrap your business and grow it into $1 million brand.
Without having to max out your credit cards, taking out loans, doing a GoFundMe, cashing out your 401k, giving up equity in your company, or begging your mom and pop for cash.
In this video, we're going to show you exactly how we did it ourselves.
So once we made the decision to bootstrap our business, we became intentional about every dollar of profit we made. So for example, when we did a special event like maybe a farmer's market or a festival, we'd go to the butcher and we would purchase $100 worth of ground meat. Then we purchase $100 worth of hamburger buns or other supplies. So that's about $200 out of pocket.
And after vending at the event, we'd end up with about $1,000 of profit each time. So we made sure to put that money aside each week. And before we knew it, we had over $10,000 saved up.
We used $3,000 of that money to manufacture our first batch of our burger marinade bottles. We used some of those bottles as samples to give out to the grocery store buyers, and that helped us make deals. Then we used the rest of the bottles to stock the shelves of several local and regional supermarkets.
And as we made more money in retail, we continued to reinvest our profits into purchasing more inventory to fulfill orders.
There was a point, however, when we earned our first nationwide deal for our frozen burger line, and the cost to produce the inventory was way too much to do from our profits. Now, some of y'all may remember us telling that story, if you're on any of our free master classes or something like that.
Yeah, and that's when we discovered purchase order financing, right? And that's when you use a company to pay for the inventory for an upcoming order without having to come out of pocket.
If you can be intentional with your profit saving, bootstrapping your food business is an excellent way to build your brand without going into debt and taking out loans or giving away equity. Now, if you'd like to learn more details about the process of getting your food products into retail stores, check out our other videos. Need you to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you hit that bell so you can be notified when we drop new content.